Got it here, pretty cool, unique tools. This is a folding pickaxe, so let's see how it works. It's also pretty sure military. Yeah, it says that here, US military. So probably like 70s, maybe 60s. So let's open it up. Looks like latchets are like old school. You just untie it like that and just pull it out. Cool, check this out. Yeah, there is a better mark inside here. US diamond column. Oh wow, 1944. Wow, I was guessing it's a lot newer, but yeah, this thing is very old. So post World War II, right? So which way do I put it in? This way right here. Slip it to, and then you just hit it a couple of times and it is gonna set, and whenever you're just gonna hit it, it's gonna set even more. That's pretty amazing. That's a piece of history over here. Probably never gonna use it. So you got it here, the actual pickaxe to take the dirt out and then just loosen up some hard dirt. Whenever you're ready to take it out, just hit it and pull it out. So there you go, 3 pieces over here. Really good condition for such an old age. I really love the holster, very unique. Sometimes I think people should bring back some of these vintage tools because this is such a good idea. Check this out. You just put it to and slide to into here and it locks in. Slide it over. Nice. Check this out. You got it here, I guess belt loop, or you can loop it over something. Backpack. Good collection for sure item. Then I got right here another outdoor edge tool. This is pretty cool. Looks like a spear and a knife at the same time. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. Not a fan of the packaging because this is one of those frustrating packaging, and you gotta open an open blade knife right here, so you gotta be super careful. Finally. What about the compass? Give me my compass. This plastic is sharp. Now there's so many sharp edges. To take it out, should be wearing gloves. Okay, looks like it's screw onto the boom handle, and whenever you don't want to use that boom handle, you can screw on the compass. Okay, finally. So okay, they have actual protection over here. Good. So there you go. There is actual blade, so you can use it as a knife. It says harpoon on it. Beautiful. It's quite sharp edge over here, so I'll probably like clean it up so it's not so sharp because it's digging into my hand every time I touch it. So I feel like I would cut myself. I'll probably smooth this out, and then you can put it into the knife sheath. Is that what it's called? Sure, this way. Beautiful piece. So you got that here, little knife. You can now take it off. It's tight right now because it's new. Open it all the way so you don't cut it. Definitely not the easiest thing to pull out, but that's okay. Now if I want to set it into here, looks like I have to do a little bit of untwisting and pulling things out because it will not fit unless I have this power cord with me. So I will have to take apart the power cord. So this is what the cheap knife looks like. I cannot cut this power cord rope or whatever this rope is versus this knife. Check this out. Way easier. Even better like this. So now we can plug in this knife into this blade somehow. How does this work? I see there's a little button over here. Do we have to lock it in? Yes, it does lock in and unlock in a way. Okay, that's cool. Also it comes with 2 little holes here. Maybe you can actually tighten it up over here with the rope or whatever, so that way it does not come off. So got the regular boom handle. Let's see if it will work. This is a plastic on metal. You can find wooden ones, but boom, check this out. So that's kind of nice in case you need to survive but around the house. Go down to the lake and get some fish, spearfish it, especially if you're in Florida. Probably would be a little bit easier to do so. you have a lot of fish everywhere with the clear water. Here it will be a little bit harder, I guess, but yeah, just got practice. My only problem with this knife, whenever you spear fishing it and you miss the fish and the knife goes into the dirt and you come up to pull it out, it will come off and knife will stay inside of the dirt. So you will have to use something to tighten it up over here. So just make 2 little loops with the rope piece that it comes with, so that would be no problem. And also, if you don't want your knife to untwist, you can just grab a screwdriver or a knife and tighten this up. But yeah, I didn't tighten it all the way. Whenever you don't want to use it as a harpoon, at least that's what it's called, you can just take it off, use it like a knife, and also take it off, use it as a throwing knife or just like a regular knife cutting things and things like that. And once you're done, you can just put it into one of these blades things. And you know what, it's still comfortable thick blade knife without the rope piece. Or you can just grab another rope and tighten it up. I kind of ruined that other rope. Beautiful, beautiful little survival spear, but it is for the screw on. I guess you could also put it in a survival station, get yourself a stick and use the rope to tighten it around the actual stick, just wedge it in it and tighten it up with the rope. So multi-purpose, you could use it with a boom handle or not. That's pretty awesome. Also, one more tool over here. This is a diving, like a knife and scissors at the same time. There's a burn for it if you didn't catch it. So how do we pull it out? Obviously you can strap it up to your leg, hand, whatever is the most comfortable for you. There's a couple of screws that you can put it onto the belt. Very nice, you see that? And a couple of straps over here if you want to just put it to the straps onto the belt. So to pull it out, all we have to do is just looks like push on these two and take it out. On this side, serrated blade, maybe cutting the rope a little bit easier, whatever you prefer. Let's get a rope. Got yourself a little rope. Let's see the sharpness of this. Ooh, not too good so far. Let's try it again. Okay, not too bad. Okay, just grab it like that. Ah, didn't cut it. So it's okay. Blade, I would say. What about this one? Okay, it's cuts, but I've seen a better knives. This cheap knife definitely cannot cut this rope. Look at that, it's just not cutting it. This is more like a box cutter. It takes a long time. What about this, like little rope cutter? Will it do it much easier? Oh wow, very hard. So I wish it was a little bit sharper. But also, what's so unique about this one, there's a little latchet and becomes scissors. So if you need to cut down the net from the, I don't know, dolphin and let it free, or yourself, not bad. This is actually easier than the actual knife. So as you can see, you got tangled up rope. Let's try to do it too. And this is actually a really sharp blade too, to just actually use it as like a cutting rope. You see it, like cutting knife. But also this is sharp too, so it's probably easier underwater to just cut it like that. You see it, it's cutting it pretty good. This time I'm not making it tight, and it's cutting it very well. Check this out, it's not tight, just loose. It's kind of cuts it for the most part. I'll cut it and pull it, because there's a little, like, tiny little rope piece. Doesn't cut all the way. You see it? It's just little hairlines. So yeah, very nice diving knife over here. Pretty sharp and thick blade. That's what you need, I guess. And not too big either, so that way you're not gonna cut something you don't want to cut.